Welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll be doing a review and setup of the Uniden iGo 50R dashcam with rear camera. This camera is small and very easy to set up. I've had other cameras in the past that freeze, cut out and just don't record properly, but this camera works well and does what it's supposed to do. You can easily install this camera yourself and save money, or you could pay $150 to $200 for someone to install it for you. The unit doesn't come with an SD card, so you'll need to buy this separately. Use a 16 to 32 GB micro SD card and make sure it has a minimum speed rating of class 10 so it can keep up with the constant recording. I'll leave some links below in the description on where you can find the camera and suitable SD cards. Remember that the rear camera cord in the left-hand side socket goes right. Work the wire underneath your car's trim all the way to the back of the vehicle. If you have excess wire, you can feed it between the door panel where there's plenty of room. The power cord from the right-hand socket goes left. Again, work the wire underneath the trim and the carpet until you get to the power outlet. The front camera records in Full HD, has dual camera channel recording, a 7-inch LCD colour screen, parking mode where the camera records if someone bumps into your parked car, ultra-wide 150-degree camera view, GPS geo-tracking where GPS coordinates from an accident or event are automatically stored. This gives you proof beyond doubt to where and when the accident or event happened. There are more features to this camera that I could go through, but if you're like me and just want something that works, then this review is for you. And this is some of the front and rear view footage from the day-to-day driving I do. The front camera is great, while I find the rear camera to be a bit grainy, and it can be hard at times to read the number plates from behind. However, I did later find that I could adjust the settings for a slightly more clearer rear-end video. I think this camera is great value, and from a brand that's been around since I was a kid, you can expect quality and long life. If you liked this video, give a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe for future product review videos, that'd be a great support to me. Thank you, and until next time, safe driving.